In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Circle. So with a comprehensive step-by-step guide, whether you're new to this platform or simply looking to enhance your experience, by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in exploring all that Circle.so has to offer. The first thing we're going to do is log into your Circle.so account. Once you're in, you'll be welcomed into your spaces. These are essentially different community areas where you can interact with various topics, posts, and events. Now, on your dashboard, you'll want to keep an eye on the bell icon located at the top right corner. This is where you'll receive notifications, keeping you updated on the latest interactions and upcoming events. Next, let's get familiar with the search functionalities that Circle.so offers. At the top of your page, you'll find a search bar, which acts as a powerful tool for finding specific posts or even members within your community. After you've mastered searching, you may want to engage further by creating a post or topic. To do this, simply click on the Create or Compose button, and here you can add text, images, and tags to ensure your post reaches the right audience. It's a great way to share thoughts, start discussions, or even seek advice from fellow community members. Now let's delve into one of the most interactive aspects of Circle. So, events and live streams. You might often see these featured prominently within spaces. To join an event, simply RSVP, or if it's a live stream, you can click to join and participate in real-time discussions. These events are not only a chance to learn, but also a fantastic opportunity to interact with others who share your interests. Interacting with posts is another vital part of your Circle. So experience. Just like many social platforms, you can react to posts using emojis, reply directly to the content, and engage in discussions. This level of interaction fosters a sense of community and collaboration, turning passive consumption into active participation. Once you've explored these features, navigating Circle will feel like second nature. It's all about engaging with the community, sharing valuable insights, and participating in dynamic discussions. As you become more active, you'll likely find that Circle.so becomes an indispensable tool for connection and learning. Thank you for watching today's guide on navigating Circle.so. I hope you found these tips helpful and you're now ready to explore and engage more effectively within your spaces. Remember, the community is always at the heart of Circle. So dive in and make the most of your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips in the future. Have a great day and happy exploring on Circle.so.